Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
他
the universal pronoun for he. Let's learn. Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
他
Has 5 strokes.
撇竖横折钩竖竖弯钩他
Means he or him. Use it in words like
他们
they, them,
他的
his. Now that you know how to write,
他
let's learn some useful words and phrases. Section 2. Common words and phrases. Common words and phrases.
其他
Other,
他人
others, other people. Section 3. Example sentences. Example sentences.
他是我的哥哥
He is my older brother.
请告诉他明天见
Please tell him we'll meet tomorrow. Section 4. Fun fact. Did you know?
他
Means he or him in modern Chinese. It's used exclusively for males, while
他
is for females. In classical Chinese,
他
also meant other or another. But today, that meaning is split into
其他
other or
他们
they for objects. Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. Create a sentence using 他们. Write in the comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.